Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Improving Skills e-learning solutions. This English lesson is about change of pronouns in active and passive voice sentences. Before starting to discuss about pronouns, let's have a look what are the subject, object and verb. Subject is the doer of action. Verb is an action. An object is the thing on which action is done. Example is there. The cat drinks milk. The cat subject, drinks verb, milk object. What are subject pronouns? I, you, he, she, it, we, you and they are subject pronouns. You can be used in singular and plural cases. Now there are object pronouns. Me, you, them, us, it, him, her. These are all object pronouns. What is active voice? Active voice emphasizes the subject who performs an action. Example, they like candies. They subject, like verb, candies object. So the formation is subject plus verb plus object. What is passive voice? Passive voice emphasizes the object. And what is object? Object is the recipient of the action. Object is the thing on which action is done. Example is there. Candies are liked by them. Candies object, are helping verb, liked verb, by them subject. Note down that in this sentence we have used the objective form of the subject they, that is them. So the formation is object plus helping verb plus verb in third form plus by plus subject. How do pronouns change in passive voice? See how the pronoun in active voice has to be converted into pronoun is passive voice with the help of this table. The pronoun in active voice is always in subjective case. I, we, you, he, she, they, it are the pronouns that we use in active voice sentences, and they are in subjective form. And the pronoun in passive voice is always is in objective case. Me, us, him, her, them, you, it are the objective case of the pronouns. Let's do some practice. Change the following sentences into passive voice using correct pronouns. Number 1, he kicked the ball. Passive voice, the ball was kicked by him. The pronoun, subject pronoun he has been converted to him. That is an objective case. Number 2, she reads stories. Passive voice, stories are read by her. She has been changed to her. Number 3, we arrange a picnic. A picnic is arranged by us. We have changed the pronoun we into us. Number 4, they flew the kites. The kites were flown by them. We change the pronoun they into them. Number 5, you bought a gift. A gift was bought by you. It drinks milk. The milk is drunk by it. In last two sentences, the pronoun does not change. You remains you and it remains it. It is the pronoun that we use for animals. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.